Hello everyone, I'm Aisha. You are watching AI Tech Vision. In this video, I walk you through a smarter way to use AI, transforming it from a simple chatting tool into a well-organized, high-performance system. At the moment, most people treat AI like a basic assistant for quick conversations. But the real advantage comes when you integrate it into a structured workflow. Once you do that, you don't have to start over every time you work on something. Instead, you build a solid knowledge base, develop a consistent thinking process. I professionally manage multiple tasks from one streamlined setup. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create this system using NotebookLM, GEMS, and Gemini, and how it can significantly boost your productivity. All right, let's dive in. The first step is to create a strong knowledge base. Building a reliable knowledge base is crucial. When AI lacks context, it makes assumptions, leading to shallow or overly general answers. To avoid that, we'll use NotebookLM to ground everything in solid information. Begin by creating a new notebook, then start collecting sources related to your topic. Here, we're focusing on AI tools for academic research, especially how they're transforming research workflows and creating new possibilities. Here, look up topics such as current trends in AI for research and import those materials into your notebook. This step helps you see the broader landscape, what innovations are happening and why they matter in academia. Now let's explore the difficulties researchers face against QAIs, and complex models are hard to interpret. Continue enriching your notebook by including areas like research challenges, limitations of AI tools, ethical concerns. This will make your research more comprehensive and transparent. AI is going to be applied in academic work for tasks like literature reviews, data analysis, and writing. As your collection of sources grows, you'll develop a comprehensive and structured knowledge base. At this stage, NotebookLM begins guiding the AI's responses, ensuring they are based on your curated information rather than generic assumptions. From this point onward, the AI is no longer making assumptions. Its responses are now based on the sources you've provided. However, even with the right information, output can still vary. You might notice differences in structure, depth, and style each time you ask something. That inconsistency is what we want to eliminate. The goal here is to standardize how the AI processes and delivers information, so it follows the same clear approach every time. And that's where the next step comes in, using a gem. Head over to Gemini, open the left side of the panel. Click on Gen Source to create a new one. Think of a gem as a predefined thinking framework. It tells the AI exactly how to handle tasks, ensuring consistent, structured results and reliable outputs every time you use it. For instance, you can design different gems for different roles. You can create multiple gems for different roles. One could function as a strategic thinker, another as a research helper, and another as a content organizer. Here, we'll build a gem designed to act as a strategy expert for AI and academic research. You can name it something like research strategist. The goal is to ensure the AI always approaches tasks with a decision-focused mindset, rather than simply explaining information. Next, you need to clearly define how the AI should operate. Instruct it to think like an expert who delivers strong, well-justified viewpoints based on the provided material. Next, instead of giving summaries, it should highlight the most important insights, recognize meaningful patterns, and turn them into actionable research perspectives. Once the instructions are ready, connect your knowledge base. Go to Add Files, select NotebookLM, and attach the notebook you previously built with your research materials. This step ensures the Gemini lies on your curated sources. Now everything is connected. Your AI has a solid information base and a clearly defined way of thinking, allowing it to deliver more focused and high-quality outputs for academic research tasks. At this point, NotebookLM provides the context, while the gem controls how the AI processes that information. A final step is putting everything into action. Now, you simply enter a prompt based on the kind of strategic insight you need. For example, you might ask the system to create a strategic brief for launching a new AI tool. Now, designed for researchers who struggle with managing multiple workflows. You'll notice it strictly follows the structure you defined in the gem. Sections like research landscape, key challenges, strategic opportunities, direction. The tools for research are all clearly organized. More importantly, the response goes beyond basic explanation. Instead of just describing trends, it provides actionable insights. It analyzes what's really happening and converts that into actionable decisions. For instance, rather than simply stating that there are many AI tools available for researchers, it uncovers a deeper problem: fragmentation and lack of integration. From there, it offers a clear strategic direction. Instead of creating yet another standalone tool, focus on building a unified system that connects and streamlines the entire research workflow. Now, let's run the same setup again, using the exact same notebook, the same gem, and the same structure. The only thing we change is the problem itself. This time, the prompt could be, create a strategic brief for an AI tool aimed at researchers who face challenges in discovering relevant papers and turning insights into publishable work. Now, when you review the result, you'll notice something important. The format hasn't changed at all. The structure remains consistent. The analysis now applied to a completely different challenge. Instead of workflow management, the focus shifts to discovery, analysis, and research productivity. That's the core idea behind this system. You don't need to rebuild everything each time. The foundation stays the same. Your knowledge base, your thinking model. By simply changing the problem, you get a completely new, tailored strategy. So to summarize the workflow, NotebookLM provides the information and context, the gem shapes how the AI thinks, and Gemini executes the task. Once everything is set up, you're no longer starting from zero. You're running a consistent, repeatable system that saves time and delivers high-quality results every time. Hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.